طلع البدر علينا من ثنيات الوداع وجب الشكر علينا ما دعا لله داع.
Today is Wednesday, the 8th of May 2024. We are in the devastated northern area of Gaza. People here are starving and their lives are at stake. These sacks of flour are a generous donation from FGRF Foundation, who always reaches out to the needy people. These sacks of flour will be distributed to the displaced and distressed families to alleviate their suffering and help them cope with this catastrophe. We would like to thank FGRF for their generous donation and every donor who donates with them as well.